Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we've got a product spotlight that I am very excited for, one that we've been working on for a while. This is the Tusk Moto Toolbox Kit. I think I speak for most riders out there. When we see those factory mechanics, they have their toolboxes that look awesome, they're all organized, and we wish we had one. Well, now you can at an incredible price. This is a 129-piece hand-selected toolkit where every tool is going to come with a cutout in this high-quality dense EVA foam that keeps your tools organized and keeps them protected. It looks awesome at an incredible price. I would be embarrassed to show you the toolbox that I have right now. It is the most unorganized thing that you have ever seen. There's no rhyme or reason to it. All the tools are just kind of thrown in there. And I've had it happen on multiple occasions where I took a tool out, didn't put it back, didn't know I was missing the tool, and when I went to go riding, I needed something, couldn't find it. I also know riders that just have like a bag or a pouch that all their tools are just thrown into, and if you're looking for something specific, it's like you're digging through the abyss to try and find it. With this toolkit, you don't have to worry about that. Every single tool has a custom cutout in the EVA foam, so you always know everything is in your toolbox when you need it. It looks amazing, and as mentioned, the price. This thing is less than half the price of the competition. And today we're just gonna walk you through, we'll talk about the box, and I'm gonna show you every single tool that comes included with this set. For the box itself, 20 gauge steel, carry handle on top, 2 side handles. What's nice is that when the lid is closed, the drawers stay locked, so they're not gonna slide open when you don't want them to. You also do have a lock here in the front for added security with the combination as well as the key. What's also nice is that you have options to choose from. We have the powder coated black version that I have here, but we also do have custom graphics kits that you can choose from where you can put your name and number. If you wanna have the factory look, that's how you do it. All right, let's talk about all the tools that come in here. As I mentioned earlier, this is a 129-piece hand-selected set by riders, and we wanted to make sure that every tool has a specific purpose and that there wasn't any wasted space inside here. High quality tools, chrome vanadium steel, and we're gonna go through everything. So this top drawer, this is gonna be for your ratchets, your sockets, and your bits. You're gonna have a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 inch ratchet, both 90 tooth, again, very high quality. You're gonna have multiple extensions for each as well as adapters. You're gonna have a 1/2 inch breaker bar. You're gonna have a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 sliding T-handle. For your sockets, 6-point sockets from a 4 all the way up to a 32. For your bits, you have a T15 up to a 55, and then you're gonna have, for your hex bits, H2 up to H14. Again, every size you're gonna need. You're gonna be able to do pretty much any job on a motorcycle with everything that comes included inside here. All right, last but not least, in this top drawer, you're gonna have a 1/4 inch drive screwdriver that's gonna have 20 different interchangeable bits to choose from, your flat blades, your Phillips, as well as some Torx. The second drawer down, this is gonna have your hex keys with the ball ends, your Torx keys. You're gonna have 6-inch needle nose pliers, standard set of pliers. You're gonna have 3 different picks, a spring puller for your exhaust, a dead blow hammer, and then you do have 1 slot inside here as well. This will be empty, and that is for you to decide if you have other tools that will fit in here nicely. We just want to give you 1 or 2 extra slots to add additional tools if you did want to. Now your third drawer down, this is gonna be for your tires and wheels. You're gonna have 3 tire levers, your hex axle tool, you have 4 valve cores, a valve core remover, digital pressure gauge. Keep in mind, batteries will not come included with that. Then you're gonna have your spoke wrench. What I love too is that this is gonna have all your common nipple sizes for all different types of wheels and sizes, heavy duty chain breaker, a motorcycle bead tool, and then again, another space here that will not have a tool. This is a great location for a tool that you might think will fit well in here. I also think it's awesome, an awesome place if you're disassembling a bike or anything. It's a great place to put any nuts and bolts, things like that, to keep those organized and to not lose those. And then last but not least, drawer number 4. This is gonna be for your combo wrenches and your spark plug tools. For your combo wrenches, you have a 6 through a 27. For you 2-stroke guys out there, you've got a 13/16 spark plug wrench. You also have 3 separate spark plug sockets. You have a 14, a 16, and an 18. What's specific about these is that they're a thin wall socket. They also have the inside that helps align the spark plug to prevent damaging that, and they're magnetic. to help take the spark plug out once you have it completely loosened. You have a spark plug gap tool, and then last but not least, you have feeler gauges if you do need to measure your valve clearances. And that's it. That is the Tusk Moto Toolbox Kit. If you want to look factory and you want to have pretty much any tool that you would need, whether it's in the garage or while you're out riding, this is going to have it, and again, at an incredible price. If you have questions or comments about it, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab one, just click the link down below in the description of the video or head to RockyMountATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on awesome products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.